Mimi, welcome Bruce. We are working at this salon, so maybe we see you in Perth. So
What?
I will
What?
visit
Introduce yourself. What?
Perth.
Tell everyone who you are.
Yes, I'm Nadi or Natalie.
Yeah,
yes,
Natalie.
from the Perfection Beauty Salon, the expert
And
specialist.
soy what?
Soy 8.
Soy 8.
Soy 8.
Yeah.
Shape.
And that's mother.
Yes. pedicure, manicure, yes. We do hot for you. Don't be worried, okay? Be not bad gossip.
So I've got
we were
the electricians here trying to fix some stuff too.
Yeah.
So if there's noise, don't worry about it.
Yeah, oh.
Where's the razor blade? I'm a bit nervous.
Hey, hello.
I don't understand. You don't understand?
Huh?
Understand Thai? English?
Little bit English,
Little bit?
bit.
Oh, okay. There's grandmother.
มาแม่ปวนมาแม่หัวหน้า
Yes.
ไปไหนจะซ่อมกล่องมา
สวัสดีค่ะ So on number 3rd, I go visit Perth in
Oh, you go to Perth?
Yes.
When?
number 3rd,
Thir-
3rd of January.
Oh, wow. Only 1 week away.
Yes.
What do you do in Perth?
I want to do beauty salon
Oh, okay. Where in Perth?
in Helena of I don't know very good.
Okay. I'm in Fremantle.
Yeah, Fremantle, I know. And then I like to go Fremantle and Canningwell.
Canning Vale.
Canningwell Market.
Yeah. I like that's close to where I live.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I like to go buy some plants.
Yeah. The market, that's every Sunday morning.
Yes, I like
Yeah, wow.
Saturday and Sunday.
Wow.
So after that, I come Thailand for work again.
Yeah, wow,
Yes.
okay.
Welcome everybody! Yay!
Smoking crack.
Very nice.
Welcome!
I'm getting a whole crowd here. Oh, good job. Sorry.
เอามีดมาอย่างนะ
He's laughing at me. I understood that. I'm very nervous about the straight razor.
But you have self-confidence.
So how many times have you been to Perth before?
This is my second time.
Okay.
Yes.
When you go to Perth, where do you live?
I live in Helena Valley.
Helen Vale.
So, something like that. I don't know how to say
With other Thai people or?
Yes.
Okay. And so you have like a working visa or just tourist?
Have work for beauty salon also.
Yeah, right.
Yes. So now.
Alright, I'm getting double tapped here.
Honey, not move. There.
If you draw blood, it's free.
No. Because you move is not my fault.
Yes, it
it's
is.
Your fault.
It's your fault.
No.
You blood, you free.
No.
อีพอเอ้ยบาดหัวจะได้อีพอเอ้ย
Okay. You can like this but not move, okay?
Okay, yes ma'am.
Otherwise no control.
Oh my god. So this is soy 8.
Soy 8.
What's over here? Soy
It's,
6,
soy
7?
6 and can they say the shortcut can go to soy 6 and soy 4
Oh, okay.
and before can pass go to soy 2 but now they
Oh, it's blocked
they
off.
change it.
Oh, it's blocked off, isn't it?
Yes.
Right. Yeah, right.
So Mandra, yes, before I
So Mandra.
Mandra,
yeah.
yes.
I-
I like to go look that they play backpot.
Oh yeah, the black
that,
pot.
that my backpot is police backpot. Very my favorite.
Oh right, okay, yeah. You sound like a cat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but I like.
yeah.
Very good. And sorry, joking. I have a Aussie partner.
You have a Australian boyfriend.
Yes,
In where does he live?
in Perth.
Yeah, wow, that's good. Oh, that's good.
Yes. Now he waiting me. He exciting.
Yeah, what does he do in Perth? Where's he, mines or?
No, he do steel cut.
Oh, works with metal.
Yes, something.
Okay.
Nice guy.
Oh, good.
Good heart.
That's good.
I have nothing secret. You can show everybody know the perfection.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
That's all good. It's no problem.
Yes. No more, please. Otherwise, I not guarantee how blood you are.
เพราะแย่เมื่อกี้ก็ว่าสิตัดให้เราแล้วแต่เราห่อนแย่เราเขามาแล้วว่าโอ้ยมือเขาจะมาดอกกันนะ
Mimi say have another guy before you come,
Yeah.
and he would like to cut hair, but he come hot.
เขามาห่อน
I say he not lucky, same. Yeah.
Oh, hon.
You
Oh,
are
bener.
lucky man.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
เขามาก่อนห่อนเขาจะมาเลิกกันเอาเราก็ติดตั้งให้เจ้าบ่เขาห่อนกันนะ
Lucky man. Con Bruce.
You guys are funny. I'm glad I come here now.
Yes.
Yeah. So, are you very busy here, or lots of people?
Just start busy in this time. You
Yeah,
know,
okay.
after COVID.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Were you in Australia in COVID or here?
No. I've been COVID on what? I don't know English very much.
Are you?
Wait, no way. I'm not like. August.
Ocus.
Yes, come back and continue visa.
Yeah.
Yes. So my boyfriend say, why? My girlfriend, my partner, good work, good woman, why not get visa? But why lady?
Yeah.
You know, no good work, same her. Why can't get visa? No, crazy embassy, Aussie man. But now, and second time we do visa in Perth.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
so
So how long is your visa for?
Multi visa. So we get multi visa. He cry, oh, very happy.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good.
I say okay. Sometimes it's a God test, you know, Buddha test.
Yeah.
How, you know, we
Let
patient.
let Buddha decide.
Yeah.
Huh?
But sometimes it's waste my time too much. I'm tired.
Yeah. I get you. I hear you. No,
Sorry, I talk too much.
no, it's good. Keep talking.
Yeah, but you know, sometimes you know we tell the truth. He say embassy. Bullshit, make me upset.
Maybe you should just marry him
Yeah.
and no problem visa.
Oh. Yeah, but no problem. Not push him.
Yeah.
That's another because we honest together.
Oh,
you
that's
know,
good.
let-
How old is your boyfriend?
He 61 years old.
61. How old are you?
Me 45 years old.
Okay.
Yes. sorry, I'm bad guess. I not win lotto.
That's right.
มาวันนี้เพื่อนนวดได้บัดนี้พอเด้อรอแล้ว
So my boyfriend say when I go him very happy and exciting and he would like to go Canning Vale Market. That is my favorite.
Yeah.
He like to
It's
eat.
good. Canning Vale Market's really good.
Yeah.
I go.
Wow.
I live only 5 minutes away.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Now เดี๋ยวก่อนจะเพิ่มจับเด้อno move okay I check here
Yes, ma'am.
inside yes
I'm getting a shave inside the ear.
yes
Yeah.
nobody can do maybe or from the perfection
Yeah.
yes
But you guys
I
do.
like because
you
me
guys-
customer exciting
Yeah, I'm very exciting.
yeah you see but not her
Oh, you're a cracker.
what is cracker
You're very happy and excited. I
oh.
like it's good.
yes I ask customer say why you like I shape in your ear he say because the man like because a little bit nervous but exciting
Yeah. I understand.
เพื่อนนวดได้อีกเอาไปนอนนวดเนาะ
yeah okay tuk tuk tuk
Tuk tuk tuk.
tuk tuk
โอเค
tuk 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 tuk
So do I get a discount for this spot here with no hair?
no that is your
What
fault
discount?
Not my fault.
Discount.
เย้
No hair.
no hair
No.
Discount.
เอาไปพอไปนอนโอเคไม่ดีอ่ะ
Come
เอ่อ
here
ตุ๊กตุ๊กตุ๊ก
เดี๋
ตู
ยว
อยู่
เอาตังค์ให้พี่กุ้ง
Oh, I'll go here now. So I'm moving over here.
เป็นเสียงหมอทำคนลื่นอะไรผม
see
Is that for the face shave?
yes I put everything ready to go Perth cut hair
Oh.
เดี๋ยวหมอไม่เป็นไม่เดียวหมอเป็น
so
Oh.
we are do wax also please
โอ
welcome
เค
All
โอ
right.
เคไม่เดียว
So you do wax?
โอเคโอเคโอเค
wax,
Wax.
chairs wax anything
Right.
โอเค
Where do you do the wax at? Here
Not
or
here.
outside?
Here. No, here we close the cotton.
Oh, right.
Yes, we have private room, very expert and good. Yes,
Right.
make your skin very smooth.
Why you wear a mask?
เดี๋ยวไอ้จะ
Because
เข้า
we
จมูก
safety for
มันจะเข้าจมูก
customer.
ผมเจ้า
Oh,
Yes.
COVID.
Yeah.
You have COVID?
No.
โอเคมาเดียวรีแลกเลยนะ
Yes, ma'am.
yes
รีแลกรีแลก